Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 multiplayer. Getting started is super easy. From the main menu, simply navigate to the online or local play sections. For online battles, a strong internet connection is key to avoid lag and ensure smooth gameplay. You can easily invite your friends to a private match or jump into public matchmaking to find opponents of a similar skill level. Let's dive into the exciting world of combat. Mortal Kombat 1 offers several thrilling online modes. Ranked matches pit you against players worldwide, climbing leaderboards to prove your might. If you prefer a more laid-back experience, casual matches are perfect for honing your skills without pressure. The King of the Hill mode lets up to 8 players spectate and challenge the reigning champion. For a more personal touch, create private lobbies with custom rules for your friends. For those epic couch versus battles, local multiplayer is fantastic. Simply select local versus from the main menu, and 2 players can duke it out on a single console. Before the fight, you can pick your favorite character and personalize their appearance with various gear and skins. Don't forget to choose from the many iconic stages and adjust match settings, like the number of rounds or the time limit, to your liking. To truly dominate in Mortal Kombat 1 multiplayer, practice is essential. Spend time in the training mode to master your character's combos and special moves. Learning their fatalities and brutalities will also impress your opponents. Understanding basic frame data can give you a significant strategic edge in competitive play. Finally, watching experienced players and analyzing their techniques can greatly accelerate your journey to becoming a combat master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.